Okay, guys, so we have the following problem. How many times as large is the approximate diameter of atom number 1, 2.7 times 10 to the negative 9th meter, as the approximate diameter of atom number 2, 10.8 times 10 to the negative 10 meter, right? So this problem is asking us to figure out how many times as big is atom 1 than atom 2. So in order to do that, we need to figure out what keywords we're going to use to determine the operation. So in the beginning, we see how many times as large. So when you see that, guys, the first thing that should come into mind as the operation is division, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna convert these two numbers into standard form and divide because we're used to dividing numbers in standard form. So 2.7 times 10 to the ninth power, right? So I'm just gonna rewrite this as 2.7, and in order to write this number in standard form, I'm going to look at my exponent. Since my exponent is -9, that means that I'm going to move this decimal place 9 spaces to the left. So when I do that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros, and then 2 7. So this number in standard form is 0.0000000027. We're going to do the same thing for the second atom, right? So we have 10.8 times 10 to the negative 10 power. So I'm just going to put 10.8 here. As you guys can see, we're going to need some space. And to rewrite this number in standard form, I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to look at my exponent. Since I have a -10, this tells me that I'm going to move my decimal place over to the left 10 spaces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So every space, I'm going to fill it in with a 0. So I know how many zeros I'm filling in. So when I do that, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros, and I have 108. So now my new decimal is going to go here. So now to figure out how many times as large the atom 1 is to atom 2, I'm going to divide these numbers. So it's going to be 0.00, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2, 7 divided by 0.003456781108, right? So you guys are not going to do this by hand. Use the calculator. I provided you with the following link in order to use the calculator. So we're just going to plug in those numbers. 0.12345672827 divided by 0.003456781108. When you do that, your answer is 2.5. So this is equal to 2.5. So this is saying that atom number 1 is 2.5 times as large as atom number 2. The diameter, actually, the diameter of atom. So it would be the third choice.